5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
How dare you defile this temple! Your spirit shatters!
Encroaching shadows are going on, people. So make sure you get those out to the sides, please.
Servants arise! Your master calls!
Onto the cultists.
Your spirit shatters!
Good nipple. Sweet.
Sorry for placement, past the second.
Get gateway down, mate. It won't be just you for it.
Servants arise! Your master
Now might be a good
calls!
time to do a tank swap, and let me visit these decks, I suppose.
Yeah. Onto the ads, guys. Drag them onto the boss.
My
Want me to
chosen!
pop
Get ready
V?
for the fire. Get ready for the fire.
Didn't you need to use the thing from the Void Ascendant to
To darkness!
reset?
I do, so...
Watch out. She's going straight through the middle of the room.
Don't stand at the staircase.
Cross the back, cross the back. Middle again.
Out the middle, guys. Out the middle. Towards green, all the stairs.
I'll annihilate the next cultist. I need to use
Okay.
it at some point.
Sounds good.
Servants
Let's have a lust.
Your master calls! Your spirit shatters!
Make sure you get that purples out.
Servants arise! Your master calls!
Ads
Take
at the back.
boss now.
Your
So
spirit
you take that gift of the void that you see to the right.
Guys, I think we can just cleave onto the ads from the boss.
Yeah.
Just get them in. Get them in.
Kicks on the ritualists and bring them in.
Just in a burst. Just not.
arise! Your master calls!
Get close to that gateway and pop your annihilation on them. Just don't hit any other players if you can help it.
Show these unbelievers our truth!
Another big ad in the back.
Succumb to
Middle.
In the middle.
Middle, 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 middle. Watch the ads. Get me DD up.
Cross the back, cross.
Let's cross the back again.
Buzzing.
So it's where the boss is
Right.
at green. Get to middle, get to middle.
I shall rip you apart myself! Servants arise! Your master calls!
Gateway to the side.
Your spirit shatters!
Just get the interrupts on, guys. Get them in, and then let's focus on the.
Not here, super far away. Nice. Focus hands, please.
Have we got an annihilation orb up at all?
Yeah,
Of them?
grab the boss if you can.
Watch yourselves. Neff's going to annihilate these.
If I have threat on these guys, it's annoying. They just spread out everywhere.
Stand with people to remove your haste dealer.
Move away.
You make sure you're in the healing range.
Wait.
once you-
I'll just take her now.
Get ready to move in 3 seconds. Some of you will be super slow.
You need melee to run on the tanks. So you don't get feared.
Yeah, you can do.
That's quite annoying. Okay. So yeah, we don't get the orbs anymore.
The shadows gather.
Yeah, that's when I should have saved Lust for, but you know, we still did it. Well done, guys.